Hello everyone, my name is Babak, and in this session I'm going to show you how you can find a list of the competition or a list of the database on Kaggle using Kaggle API. To use of the Kaggle API, firstly we have to install a Kaggle API on your computer. Let's see how we can install it. pip3 Okay, once we install the Kaggle on our computer, we have to go to our Kaggle page and open our account. So here we're going to the Kaggle and open your account in the Kaggle and go to your account. In account we have an option to create one token. The Kaggle API needs a token, so let's generate a token and download it. So I'm going to save this Kaggle token, and this been downloaded in my computer. You can find it in your computer whenever you download it. So this would be in my download, the Kaggle JSON. There is a JSON file that including my token, and we have to paste it in a Kaggle folder in your account. So you're going to home, or maybe in your Windows machine you have on that user, your username, and when you're working on the local host you have this folder. So you have to paste the Kaggle in this folder, and now we are good to go. Let's see how it's working. And also I have created is Kaggle Jupyter file, and I explained it how you can use this one. If you are a user machine, so you have to go to the user folder, and under Kaggle you paste the Kaggle token in this folder, and then you are good to go. So let's import the Kaggle and activate our token. So here we create one API and authenticated this one using the token that we given to the machine. So let's see if you wanted to see the list of the latest competitions. The Kaggle API will show that the list of the competition that right now is working. Something for the Titanic or NLP. There's a different data set and the competition that's right now working. You can find the list of them, or you can search the name of the competition that you want. Then you can find a list of the appropriate competition like here. See, if you just search for the Titanic, you can see the competitions on the Titanic, or for the NLP there were a couple of competition under the NLP category. So if you want just looking for the data sets, most of the time you need to have appropriate data sets and database to work on it. So it's safe place to find a database is in Kaggle. So here you can find a list of the data sets. If you just want to find a specific data set to use, it's here. We can find a specific data set, but using the search function. For example, I was looking for a data set regarding the fraud and the credit card fraud anomaly detection, and I found this was very useful for me. So let's see, there is a number of the data sets target the fraud detections being added to the Kaggle. So I'm looking for these competitions. This looks good for me. We can download all of them, but some of them it would work for you. Fraud commerce, or credit card fraud, or the credit card fraud for different competition that we had. So here we have this one. We just paste the information that we copy and paste from the list of the data set, and we just download using the download file. Let's take a couple of minutes to download the dataset. Depend of how the dataset is big. Okay guys, we download the credit card dataset, and we put with the zip file that we added to our folder, and we unzip the file on the data folder or subfolder that we have named data, and let's see what we have now. It is my desktop and the Kaggle project. The file that we've downloaded is a credit card.zip, is 170 megabyte that we just found from the Kaggle and downloaded, and here the data that we unzipped. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed the sessions, and I would appreciate it if you leave a comment for this session. Thank you very much and stay safe.